Take it out slowly.
You have to shake this for about 1 minute.
Alright guys, so we're back. I just finished my slime.
Hey guys!
Welcome back to Family TV Kids. And today we're going to be hydro dipping. Let's get right to it. Alright. So first you're gonna need your object. In this case, I'm gonna be doing my slide.
This case,
And Lil Mayo is gonna be doing his shoes.
I'm gonna be doing my shoes.
Alright. And then of course we're gonna need our spray paint. Because you need spray paint for the hydro dipping, if you didn't know that. And then next you need your water. So be careful with that water cup. It's very okay. Alright, so we got a water cup here. Oh. Okay, and we're gonna be using you're gonna need water, alright? Alright, and so you're gonna need tape to block off like parts you don't want to be hydro dipped.
So guys, the colors we have are purple,
Blue
white.
and this darkish pinkish color.
So today we're gonna be doing galaxy.
Yeah, galaxy themes.
I bet my shoes are gonna be the best. Hashtag star, Lil Mayo,
And Dom. Comment down below if you guys like my jacket. I like
Yeah.
it. It's so cool. Alright, let's get right to it. Whoop.
So
Alright.
guys, I'm gonna be taping the bottom of my shoe and the sides of my shoe. So Mayo is gonna be taping the same thing as me, the bottom of the shoe and the sides of the shoe.
Alright, and then I'm gonna tape this bottom part, the sides right here, and this part. And not this part, and yeah. Let's get taping.
Okay, guys.
Get my tape. Alright guys, so this is my progress so far. I've already got the sides down. Still little cracks and stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and take that up.
So guys, this is my progress so far. I haven't even finished taping it. It's a final fail for me right now. Well, not for me. Try to do this.
You can do it.
Alright, so Mayo's struggling a little bit. But you know, that's okay. We don't give up here.
Nope. It's all called teamwork. So we help each other out.
Comment down below who you think shoes are gonna be looking better. I feel like mine's right here.
So guys, I forgot to mention, we also have to have safety. So we have these masks, and then we have these gloves for our hands. I have a coat for extra protection. Says Dom, but Mayo, I don't know about him. So guys, you're gonna shake it for 1 minute, and you're gonna spray it in the bucket of water.
Yeah.
So let's shake it for 1 minute.
And everybody has to pay close attention, okay? And only spray when it's your turn.
help me.
No supervision, please.
Oh, it
Come on.
What do you
Oh, that
need?
was easy.
Open this.
Just squeeze it.
Here you go.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
See? That was.
Here.
Oh, reach it here for a second. Let me see it.
Let me open it.
Reach it here.
Let me open
Hold it, can.
Reach it here.
Hold it.
No, I know how to.
Oh.
Where you even from? Reach it here.
Reach it here.
All right. So.
I'm from a place where we read and follow directions. Boom.
Alright. So I got the straps. And we're gonna just dip it in.
I thought you weren't.
Go. Move the, yes,
Yeah.
move that out the way.
Yeah.
Take it out slowly.
Hey, that's
My turn. Now we have to do more spray paint because, as you can see, there's no longer any more spray paint in the bucket. So let's do that.
Three, two, one.
Dip up.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's got the gray.
Yeah, it actually looks really cool.
Go, quick. Alright, so we're gonna be dipping Star Shoe. She's going in.
Go.
Keep going in.
Keep going. Keep going. Now start wiping, swiping. Keep it down. Keep it down. Keep it down. Swipe. Just wipe away. Wipe away. Okay, it's good. Come on up. Boom.
Slowly.
Boom. That's it right there. That's it. That's
Guys, my
Star Shoe. These are good.
So I gotta dry.
And we the hydro dip has dried overnight, and so far it looks like this. It looks pretty good. So right now we're gonna peel off the tape.
Let's
Oh.
go.
3, 2, 1. That crackled.
It sounds better. I think my shoe's the best. It looks
Nuh-uh.
pretty good. Mine's the best. Yeah, guys. Comment down below if you think mine is the best. Comment down below if you think Mayo's is the best. Or comment down below if you think Dom's is the best.
Mine is the worst.
Try to stick it.
Alright, so we just finished peeling off all the tape. It's pretty cool so far. Yeah. So far what I like about mine is I like the straps. There's the straps that I just hydro dip. I like how it just stands out with the whole shoe, you know. It's really cool.
What I like about them are that they're very colorful. And like right here, it has like a little red, well it's pink, but it's, but I call it red and blue. And they're really colorful.
So, Mayo shoes, I don't know what he likes about it. 'Cause, like, he said he went to the bathroom. One thing I like about it is like the sides, like the front of it, it's got like this white smear. It's kind of cool. And yeah, for bonus, we actually hydro dipped a mask. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. It looks like something you wear in paintball or something, you know. It looks like you got attacked by a paintball player, you know.
That scares me. I like it, but it has colors. It has blue, white, red, purple, white, blue, I guess.
So guys, comment down below. You think Team Dom won this battle? Or Team Mayo?
Or Team Star.
Comment down below, guys. See you guys later.
Peace.